I am really so excited to see the data that you've collected. I have some idea, maybe because I've seen all these videos, what you might find, but I just can't wait. I'm so excited to see what you come up with this forced swim test. So as with all the other behaviors, you'll get the entire data set of all the submissions from all the students in the class. And then you'll have to, again, sort them by ID number and then calculate averages for the time spent swimming and floating for the first 60 seconds, and then the same for the entire 300-second forced swim test. And then, of course, once you've done that, you have to sort them by strain and then calculate the strain means plus minus standard error of the mean. And subsequently put the data in two bar graphs. One for the first 60-second period, and then one for the entire 300-second test period. And you would combine the the data that you collected for floating and swimming all in one figure for the first 60 seconds, and then the time spent swimming and floating for the entire test period. Subsequently, you'll write up a short paragraph describing the results. Now, please be very careful about how you do this. And so it's not just saying or starting right away with the interpretation. You really need to describe the data, such as the compulsive-like mice are more or less depression-like than the other control lines, and for the first 60 seconds, but maybe the pattern is different for the entire test. But please describe it carefully in the text, and then you can put your interpretation of the results on the discussion board for everybody to share and to comment on. So in the discussion board, I want everyone to at least comment on 2 other posts by other students. So I will not give you full credit if you don't do that. So please have a really interactive discussion about the contents and how you interpret these results. So as I said, I can't wait to see the data. So good luck with the analysis of the data, and I hope you're as excited as I am to seeing what you actually found.